If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Sponsored by migardener.com, with over 450 varieties of non-GMO, heirloom, organic flowers, vegetables, and herb seeds, all for 99 cents. migardener.com.
When it comes to Brussels sprouts, you can leave them in for much longer than what normal garden plants can survive. We've had a decent frost already, and these are still growing. These are a very hardy plant. You can see here, about a month and a half ago, 45 days, we topped them off. We went ahead and chopped the top to prevent vertical growth and focus on developmental growth of the sprout. You can see at the top here, we're going to let these go. These will end up, forming small little cabbage like that one there. That's a pretty decent one. But that if we would have left them alone and let them do their natural thing, this plant would have still grown another foot or so and not focused on development of the sprouts here. And you can see they're marble size, and we're going to let them go as long as possible. Now, the thing you want to avoid is a hard freeze, like a 20, 25 degree hard freeze or below that. That's not going to help these plants grow at all. A light frost, we're fine. 27 degrees, we're okay. It'll warm back up during the day and they'll continue to grow without any issue at all. So when it comes to your Brussels sprouts, they're a hardy plant, let them be. Don't think that the frost is going to kill them.
For more information, please visit theWisconsinVegetableGardener.com.